This is a bedroom modeling tutorial, and in this lesson I will show you how to model a cabinet for the beddings, pillows, also a place to sit on it. I will copy some books from the living room and also create a window cover and blind and copy to this rooms. Firstly, I've erased everything what was in this zone. You can see only left things is a lamp. I'm going to adjust them and fit on the cabinets near the bed. Also left some pictures to copy and books. So firstly, let's create a cabinet with drawers to put some beddings and pillows in it. Firstly, select these two faces, make a group, and extrude this face by pushing Ctrl on your keyboard for 400 millimeters. It will be enough to sit. It's about 700 millimeters. So delete these faces and divide this face into 3 segments. Create 2 lines and also create this line, tell it for 32 and create a horizontal line. Also we can now delete these lines and using offset tool type in 1, 1 and 1 again. We can now push these faces by 18 millimeters. Let's type 18, 18, and this face also to 18. And grab the drawers facades and using 3.6 millimeters and 6 segments round the edges. So round the edges and also round the edge of the top, and let's say it 1 millimeter and 3 segments. Well, let it be 1 millimeter in this case and 6 segments. Okay, now let's create by the way, with these drawers do not have handles because we are systems when you can push and it automatically opens. And now let's create a pillow to sit on it. So it's a simple rectangle. Make a group and open it. Now let's make a color white and divide this face. Okay, 6 segments is okay. And with line tool, let's cut it. Also cut it not only vertically but also horizontally using midpoints. It's good. Let's select everything. Click on the line 3 times and rotate it. Also grab the middle point and move it. Now select everything again and move all the face to the corner. Well, it's too much. Go back and grab this corner. Let's adjust them and well, we are making a sculpting now with Sketchup tools. So grab something about half of the faces and lift them, let's say at 5 millimeters. Deselect some faces and grab and lift up the left ones by again 5 millimeters and do some adjustments. I am only grabbing and lifting up the corners. And then after we are done, we are going to use a subdivide and smooth tool. Well, firstly maybe a joint push pull tool to extrude the faces. It's good now. Well, let's lift up this face more. It's getting better now. Yeah, it's done now. So let's select everything and use joint push pull tool. Type in 13 millimeters, 2 times enter, and it's okay. Now, well, maybe we should fix this corner. So go back, lift up this corner and down this one. Lift up this and this. It's better now. Let's add some joint push pull. 13 millimeters, enter and enter again. Now everything selected and subdivide selection, and again to subdivide and smooth, and 2 iterations. Click OK. So our pillow is finished. It looks quite realistical, and well, let's model now a blinds window cover. So create a circle and type in 35 millimeters. We don't need much segments, so leave the default value and make a group. Well, maybe let's move this circle for about 13 millimeters and just now extrude it. Also leave some space like I've done. Now copy 2 lines, 13 millimeters and 5 millimeters. Do the same thing in this side, 30 millimeters and 5 millimeters. Let's erase and close the faces. I showed you this way, and now it's a second time, but well, now connect the faces and do the same thing in this side. Close the faces, use offset tool and join them. Erase the line, offset tool and join. Now only select the edges and we are going to round them. You see we need more, so let's type in 2 and 3 segments. And we only left to create a handle for it. So after processing is done, we will create it. Well, it's okay. Now create a simple rectangle on the wall. Make it thinner. Select on the lines and also a cylinder and make a group and open it. We have some lines down there, so let's grab them, select everything, grab them and position in this face. It's okay, only let's create some arc. Delete these lines and well, create another arc much bigger. It's good, and now using pipe along path tool we are going to create a pipe over this face, over these lines. Select everything and plugins, pipe along path. Let's type in 3 millimeters, 0 and 12 segments. It's done now. It looks okay. So we have created a cabinet with drawers for storage of beddings, also a pillow, blinds, a window cover. So let's copy some books from the living room. I left them in case I can copy them, not model again. Yes, copy them. Also, maybe we could scale them. They are far way too big. Place them firstly. And now we can scale them. It's good now. Also, let's copy some pictures. And the free ones is okay. So grab a corner, copy, and place them on this wall. Also, you can copy this blind on the windows in living room and dining room zones, or if you want them in the different scene, you can make a component and click Save As and choose a directory in which you want to save an SKP file, and then you just can grab a file and import into the model you want. So this was a first tutorial of modeling a bedroom. See you on the next lesson.